हम सबको लगता ज़रूर है कि हमें साइकोलॉजी के बारे में सब पता है क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम पे एक पोस्ट जो देखी थी। बट डू वी एक्चुअली नो द ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ साइकोलॉजी एंड वेयर इट केम फ्रॉम? आइए आपको बताते हैं। The term psychologia first appeared in 1590 in the writings of Rudolf Goclenius. He was a German philosopher and scholar known for his work in logic, metaphysics and psychology. लेकिन असल शुरुआत साइकोलॉजी की कब हुई और इसका मतलब क्या है? साइकोलॉजी की असल शुरुआत 400 BCE में हो चुकी थी। कुछ फेमस ग्रीक फिलोसोफर्स थे जिन्होंने साइकोलॉजी पर काम किया। The word psychology comes from a Greek word called psyche, which means soul or mind, and the other word is logos, which means study or a discourse. अब वो कौन से ग्रीक फिलोसोफर्स थे जिन्होंने साइकोलॉजी पर बात की? एरिस्टोटल एंड प्लेटो। प्लेटो was a Greek philosopher जिन्होंने साइकोलॉजी और फिलोसफी की दुनिया में बहुत contributions की in the form of theories for ethics, politics, knowledge and human mind. अब इन्होंने बात ये की कि आपका जो दिमाग है वो आपकी बॉडी से बिल्कुल एक अलग एंटिटी है, meaning that your mind, which represents your soul, continues to live, grasp and retain true knowledge, but your body is a temporary carrier of the information you receive. This was the idea of dualism. He also said that the human psyche can be divided into three parts: logos, theiros and eros, meaning reason, spirit and appetite. He said that your overall mental well-being will come from maintaining a balance between these three divisions. Here I, Aristotle, and he argued that your mind and body are actually interconnected. Yup, he opposed Plato's idea of dualism. He said that your mind functions as part of your body. His research on memory, perceptions and emotions allowed him to study human mind in great depth. इनके बाद, during the Islamic Golden Age, Ibn Sina emerged as one of the greatest physicians, philosophers and early psychologists of all time. During this time, mental illnesses were often misunderstood. काफी लोगों का ये कहना था कि डिप्रेशन, मेनिया या स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया जैसी बीमारियां सुपरनैचुरल फोर्सेस की वजह से होती हैं. But Ibn Sina challenged this belief. He said that mental disorders had natural causes, just like physical diseases. He said that the brain was responsible for your thoughts, emotions and behaviors, and any trauma or stress could lead to psychological issues. और जल्द इलाज मिल जाने से ये कंडीशंस बहुत बेहतर हो सकती हैं. Can you believe that someone actually established this fact so many years ago? He was among the first to classify mental illnesses like OCD, depression, hallucinations and psychosis. He used to study patients who experienced visions and voices. He tried to understand that these were caused by internal imbalances, not supernatural forces. इस सब के बाद it was after 1800s until date that we see psychology as the science of mental processes, unraveling the complexities of human mind. एक फिलोसोफर थे जिनका नाम विलियम वुड था. 1879 में वो आए. उनको हम बाबाए साइकोलॉजी भी कहते हैं, the father of modern psychology. लेकिन ऐसा क्यों है? Basically, he was a German psychologist, physician and philosopher, and he made the crucial effort of establishing the first ever psychology laboratory at the University of Leipzig in Germany. This marked the official beginning of psychology as a separate science rather than a branch of philosophy or medicine. इस lab में he and his students used to conduct controlled psychological experiments to study how the mind works, focusing on perception, emotion, reaction time and consciousness. William Wood की key contributions क्या थी, इस बारे में हम फिर कभी बात करेंगे. आज हम बस फोकस करेंगे कि साइकोलॉजी क्या थी, कहाँ से आई और कैसे आई. अब ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि साइकोलॉजी की बात हो और फ्रॉइड का जिक्र ना हो. The famous Sigmund Freud was an Austrian neurologist and the founder of psychoanalysis, a groundbreaking theory that emphasized the role of unconscious mind in shaping human behavior. His work laid the foundation for modern psychotherapy, dream analysis and personality theory. Freud ने साइकोलॉजी की फील्ड में बहुत काम किया, बहुत सी इंटरेस्टिंग थ्योरीज प्रेजेंट की और बहुत सी कंट्रोवर्शियल थ्योरीज भी. उनके खिलाफ बहुत से लोग आए, लेकिन फ्रॉइड अपने लव फॉर साइकोलॉजी में मगन काम करते चले गए. In the same time as Freud, many other theories came into being by many other psychologists. The idea of behaviorism came into being In 1920s to 1950s, Pavlov and Skinner came and worked on the concept of learned behaviors. Behaviorism emerged as a reaction against Freud's psychoanalysis. Behaviorists का कहना था कि साइकोलॉजी अगर observable concepts को पढ़ेगी तभी scientifically sound लगेगी as a field. The key idea behind behaviorism is that all behaviors are learned through interactions with the environment, meaning that the human actions are shaped by experience, reinforcement and conditioning rather than innate thoughts and emotions. अब रिसर्च की दुनिया में ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि कोई कॉन्सेप्ट आए और फिर उसके साथ कोई आर्ग्यू ना करे। बिहेवियरिज्म के बाद the cognitive revolution came in 1950s till 1970s. It was a major shift in psychology that moved away from behaviorism and focused on how people think, learn and process information. Unlike behaviorists who believed only observable behaviors mattered, cognitive psychologists explored the mental processes behind those behaviors. This revolution was inspired by advances in computing and artificial intelligence, leading psychologists to compare the human mind to a computer that processes, stores and retrieves information. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और बात करते हैं मॉडर्न साइकोलॉजी की, जो शुरू हुई 2000 से अब तक। मॉडर्न साइकोलॉजी has evolved into a multidisciplinary science integrating neuroscience, technology and therapy advancement to better understand human behavior, emotions and mental health. Unlike earlier approaches that focused on either thoughts or either behaviors, today's psychology combines brain science, genetics, artificial intelligence and evidence-based therapies to improve mental well-being. मुझे तो psychology बहुत पसंद है और एक concept जो मैंने पढ़ा है, I am quite excited to explain every concept in detail, but one step at a time. और आज के लिए इतना ही. If you liked the video and you'd like to see more of this content, click on the subscribe button and follow for more. This is Anusha Avid signing off.